I recently got into Lego and I bought this. This is a Porsche 963 Lego set. Lego Speed set. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. It's been a month since I got this, but I haven't did anything with it, so let's just get on with it. Do it like that. Throw the box away. Two things here. You got one over here, one over here. This base thing. Sticker pack. Will I be using these? Oh. And of course, a manual. Where I have been, if you're wondering why I don't have footage for this, basically, my SD card or like internal storage ran out, so I had to go get another one, and I had to wait, guess what, 5 whole days for that. But like I got bored, so guess who decided to build the first part? This goes right on the left. So I just want to say something right now. The second part are these small little detail parts. These are significantly longer for me to just put it here because I have to look very carefully at the manual or else I'll just miss something. Also, I just hate these because now you have to use the stickers. Why? Now where do we start? Is that even right? I don't know. Hold on. Be mindful when you're. I just said, if you didn't know what just happened there, one of these studs, these like small studs here, these things, they just fell out. They just shot into my ceiling, and they just shot back down into the ground. And we're good. Hold on. Nope, nothing's wrong. Okay. What else? And now, finally, we can add the roof. Yep, that fits, or not. Well, I guess it's supposed to happen. Wheels. Nice. I have these parts. I don't know what these are for, but I have these parts. Tell me if there is anything wrong with that. Why I have these parts? Maybe they're just for other stuff, like maybe these are just in case you lost some of these. I don't know. Maybe it's like that. It happens. Anyways, do I like the car? Yes. This is one of those videos that I am actually going to upload. This is my first time doing this setup, and it's like a really janky setup right now. I don't have the proper equipment to do it, but hey, at least I have the equipment to do it. Not the proper one, but it's a good one. But stay tuned for more episodes, and I have a mic now. Goodbye.